This is phase 2 of mixing your flocks. I got the new birds are over here. Old birds from last year that I got, they're scattered through the lawn. I'm not forcing anybody to meet. They just all hang out. There goes one of them. These girls are over here. They're working their way up to these girls. Let's see what happens. No, that's chick feed. Can't have that. So it's been about 2.5 weeks. Seems everybody's pretty good. Being that they've been sitting in there next to each other for about 2 weeks. No aggression at all. That's actually shocking.